Welcome to the Hidden Gems bonus. This is Arden Thomas, Income Smalltalk Product Manager. In this screencast, we'll walk through the example, we'll actually build it, that I showed in the last screencast on AspectAdaptors. If you want the code that we're going to start with here, send an email to me at athomas@syncom.com right here, and I'll send you the starting code used in this example. Starting code includes financial security that has symbol and name, and a subclass stock, sector, industry, and exchange. And I can see right here where I load, let's check this out, stock dictionary, inspect it. It's nil, so let's load that, self-load stocks, do it. You can see it's working, and if I inspect stock dictionary now, it's populated. So if I go into one, I can see symbol, name, sector, industry, exchange, no dependents. That is my stock object that I use in the example. So next you're going to, let's see, load parcel UI painter. We'll bring that in and we'll edit a new canvas. And we're going to need some labels. Let's say, one we can say ticker, and I like to keep the ID the same. Apply, ticker, we'll have it the company name. What do you even say? Company name. And we'll make the label the same thing. By the way, you want to set those up properly. You can select the two. Use this right here to right justify them. Okay. Let's put a couple input fields. And here's the magic. So right here for the aspect, we're going to find our stock in a stock holder, which is going to be a value model or value holder holding on to it. So let's call this, say, stock holder, but I want to get the stockholder's ticker or symbol, so I'll simply put that right here. And I'll make the ID a similar name. It's going to be a string. I don't want to change it in this, so I'm going to make it read-only and apply those. A similar thing right here. I will say stock holder name, the ID name. It also will be read-only, and I will apply that. Let's see, it says unlabeled canvas. I click in blank space. Come here, and let's say stock app, apply. So now let's install this. We're going to create a new class. Let's see, let's make it my stock app. Wait, what we need to do is add it actually. Package, I'm going to say none for this example, but if I was working and I want to store this, I would create a package. Name will be, I will do my stock app to avoid running into some other names that I've already used. Instance variables, I'm going to leave that blank for now and say OK. And again, OK, we're using Windows Spec, the default name. And I've got that. So now I can click on this define, and it'll say stockholder, add initial. I'm going to leave that on, but I'm going to remove it manually. I'll show you why. I like to do something slightly different. And now if I have nothing selected here and I click on this, it will allow me to browse the whole class. So if I look at stockholder, it creates it as a nil as value, which is what I want, but I don't want it here. I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to have stockholder just return stockholder and accept that by clicking on Control S, or you can do it right here. Okay. New, initialize, that's a category, and it's going to be an initialize method. And I'm going to say, well, actually, super initialize, and then stockholder gets nil as value. Saying nil as value creates a value holder holding on to nil. Okay. So let's see if things start up okay. Oh, stockholder symbol not found. Well, let's see why that is. Okay, stockholder symbol not found. Close that. Oops. It looks like I forgot to accept this. So my initialize didn't exist. So let's try that. And there we go. It has an application running with no domain yet. So let's fix that. Let's open a workspace. I'm going to come here and make one of my options, style as small talk, so I get some, my stock app, new, app gets. This will create a variable local to this workspace for testing. Now I can say app stockholder value colon stocks first, and I can see that what this is going to give me. Inspect this, and I get a stock. Let me see. I could say at 3, and inspect that. Okay, I'll get this one whose symbol is turn. Let's try that. And now I can say app open. So let's try to run this and see what happens. There we go. So I have a running application, app. I could actually say app stockholder value. I'm going to do the same thing as here, so I'll do a copy and paste. Copy, Control C, Control V. Let's put it at 5. So I have a running application now, and I'm going to change what's in there. And I can do that. So I'm dynamically changing the domain of this application. Now, of course, my other example, we can just add in and do the same thing for sector and industry. If you have any questions, please send me an email at athomas@syncom.com. Also, if you want the example here, the financial security and stock, and there is one other thing. There's some extensions I put in and use, and a couple of them are used here in stock. I will send you everything you need to get set up and build this example for yourself. Until next time, have a great time with Syncom Small Talk.